everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Elizabeth with theroadtomakingmoremoney.com, and in today's video I just wanted to show you a real quick way that you can make $5 in Amazon money every single day. Okay, it's real simple. It's using a program called Crowdtap, which I have talked about before. I have a couple of other videos about it, but I just wanted to show you today how easy it is to use the program and then also to redeem your points for the $5 Amazon. So this is, I'm already logged into my account here, and you can see right here I have 993 points, and in order to get $5 in Amazon money I need 1,000. So I'm almost there. So this is one of the questions that is being offered right now. And it says, how interested would you be if a restaurant or bar offered a Dominican Republic rum-inspired dessert? So I just answer that, hit continue, and it goes immediately to the next question that's up. And as you see, my points just went up by 3. Okay, the next question, please share your experience with makeup primers. And answer that. And it went up by 3 again. The point values change. Sometimes it's by more than that. Sometimes it's only by 1. On average, they tend to be around 3 for just simple questions like what you just saw. Okay, let's get one more and see if we can get all the way up to 1,000. You mentioned that you consumed rum in the past 3 months. Which of these brands, if any, did you drink? And we hit continue. And sure enough, we've made it to 1,002 points. So at this point, I'm going to show you how to redeem. You just click here. And as you can see, you have all these gift cards available. And this is the Amazon gift card for 1,000 points, which is $5 in Amazon. I mean, there's other gift cards as well. I'm just showing you today the Amazon one, which is what I typically do. Sometimes I'll go for the Target card or the Walmart. Just depends on what I need. And then occasionally I'll go with the PlayStation store, especially if my kids need games or that kind of stuff. So they got a lot of options here, and the denominations just go up by 5 for every 1,000 points. So this is why I'm showing you every 1,000 points you can earn $5. Now I could obviously wait until I get 2,000 points, and I could do this one for $10. So it's just however you want to do it. I just am going to show you how to do it today. So it's not recognizing my points yet. There we go. Okay, I just needed to refresh the screen. So I just click on here, and I'm going to redeem 1,000 points for $5. And I hit redeem. And here it is right here, and all I have to do is click this button and place the order. Okay, so now that order has been placed, it says the reward will be sent to me within 24 hours. And now all I have to do is go back here and I can continue working on any of these questions. Okay, that's how easy the questions are. You can see how many points they're worth right here. But it literally only takes, if you spend 10 to 15 minutes here and there throughout your day, you can easily get up to 1,000 points. I've been doing it now for several days whenever I've been home. I've missed a couple days because I've had to, be out of the house. But it's real easy to get up to 1,000 points. If it doesn't take a day, it'll take 2 days. But seriously, it's $5 every 2 days for Amazon, for Target, Walmart, whatever you're into. And right now during the Christmas season, having to buy gifts, I do spend a lot of money on Amazon, so it's actually helped me out because it just gives me the gift card and I apply it to my payment whenever I'm ready to check out, and it's just that easy. So that's all I wanted to show you today. Once Once again, it's called Crowdtap. I'll leave a link in the description. If you want to sign up, it's free to sign up. You just fill out your demographics and answer a few profile questions so they kind of know what kind of questions to give you. And then that's all you do. You come back to it, and when there's questions available, you can take the surveys and earn points. So I hope this has helped you out a lot. If you like this kind of content, hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell notification so that you know when I come out with more content like this. Alright, I will see you in the next video.